everyone.
Welcome back.
As you know, Father's Day is coming soon, so let's be ready for that special day.
So these 2 days we are creating gifts for Father's Day. Shh, it's a secret. We can't tell them until it's Sunday.
In our Thursday's bag, some of you have an apron to make and a keychain.
And some of your Thursday bags, you have a tie to make, as well as a Father's Day toolbox.
So let's begin.
So first we decided to do the tie. You can do patterns with the tie and your dad's favorite color or grandpa's favorite color or uncle's favorite color. There are 2 different designs in your bag, so you can decide to do whatever color and creation you want. The next step is the toolbox. Use in the toolbox, there are tools that you get to take off and place anywhere you want on your red toolbox. There's stickers, so you can just take the stickers off and put them anywhere.
Okay, our next gift is this beautiful apron. So what you need to do is just peel off the stickers and place it like this one. Right here is double stick, so just take it off. There's one here. Oh, little. And the last one here. You just put this on top. You can decorate however you want and place whatever card you want. They say today is your day. I will help by whatever you want to do. You can write it here, helping you washing your car or whatever you want. And then you put the fabric strip into the little slots and tie it up. And this is how it looks. And here put your name, love and your name. Keychain. This is very easy. You just take the paper off. Use your crayons or markers, whatever you design you want to do. I just finished this one. I use 3 colors. But again, you can do and use anything, any color, any marker, or any design you want to do. We hope you like these activities, and please remember, it's a secret.